नमस्कार पळय प्रुडंट खबरो. गोंयकारांक जाय पर्रीकारच मुख्यमंत्री. पर्रीकारा फाटल्यान पार्सेकाराक पसंती. आपाचो एल्विस तिसऱ्या नंबरार. सुदिनाक मायकल विजयान घालो फाटी. प्रुडंटाचो प्रीपोल सर्वे. विरोधक एकठांय आयल्यार पार्सेकार गेलो. पणजे सिद्धार्थच सेफ. नावेली लुइजिनाक फायदो. नुवेकारांक मिकी नाका. पेडणे बाबू आसगांवकाराची परत एंट्री. प्रुडंटाचो प्री पोल सर्वे. येता त्या इलेक्शनाक काँग्रेसीक चान्स दियात. गोंय बदलून दाखयता. राहुल गांधीचो फातोड्डे सभेत गोंयकारांक उलो. ब्लॅक मनी, नोटबंदी, कॅशलेसा वेल्यान मोदीचेर फोग. बोंडलाचें आकर्षण. राणा वाघ सोंपलो. राणा अधिकाऱ्यांनी केले निमणे संस्कार. जाणटो जाल्ल्यान मरण. चेन्नईचे राणा संध्याचे जोडपे फाटली 7-8 वर्सां जाल्ले बोंडलाचें आकर्षण. आनी निमणे मावीन बीजेपींत आमदारकी सोडली. कसिनो, SEZ, मायनिंग स्कॅमां काँग्रेसीचींच. माविनाचे आरोप. पर्रीकार आनी ताच्या आड स्कॅमाच्या आरोपा फाटल्यान खंय काँग्रेसच. मुख्यमंत्री म्हूण गोंयकारांची सगळ्यांत चड पसंती मनोहर पर्रीकाराकच. पर्रीकारा उपरांत लोकांचो कौल पार्सेकाराक. सगळ्यांत अजापाची गजाल म्हणल्यार आपाचे एल्विस गोम्साक लोकांनी तिसऱ्या नंबरार पसंती दिल्या. सुदीन ढवळीकारा परस मायकल लोबो आनी विजय सरदेसाय फुडें आसात. काँग्रेसीचे दिगंबर, सिनियर राणे, लुइजीन रेसींत बरेच फाटी.
Chief Minister, who should be the Chief Minister, is very, very interesting. Digambar Kamath is 5.5%, Elvis Gomes is 7%, higher than Digambar Kamath. Francis D'Souza is around 4%, Lakshmikant Parsekar is 16.5%, Luizin Falero is 5.4%, Manohar Parrikar is 26.9%, now it's 27%, Michael Lobo is 6.9%, Pratap Singh Rane is 5.6%, Rajendra Arlekar is 1.6%, Rohan Kaunte is 3%, Sudhin Dhawlikar is 3.5%, 6.5%, Vijay Sardesai is 7%, and Vishwajit Rane is 4.1%.
27% लोक धरता, 27% लोक धरता की मनोहर पर्रीकर परत येतलो आणि मुख्यमंत्री जातलो अशें दिसता म्हणून ते ताका वोट करता.
बरोबर.
हां. सेकंडली आफ्टर लक्ष्मीकांत पार्सेकर ताका एल्विस गोम्स मागीर घेता. मायकल लोबो सारको कॅन्डिडेट अचानक वयर येता. फाटल्या सर्वेनी ताचें नांव आशिल्लें, पर्संटेज वाडल्या. म्हणजे जस्ट असोच येवना तो, कोणाक तरी दिसता थंय. बाकीचे काँग्रेसीचे लिडर खूब पथेटीक दिसता दुर्दैवान, की खूबच सकयल दिसता. एल्विस गोम्स आतां आमी आपाचेर रायट ऑफ केल्ल्या भशेनूच दिसता बऱ्याच हातून. बट एल्विस गोम्साक लोक 7% इज नॉट लो पर्संटेज इन दीस. आफ्टर पर्रीकर एंड आफ्टर पार्सेकर आय थिंक तिसऱ्या नंबराचेर एल्विस गोम्स येता. सो वेदर पीपल आर थिंकिंग डिफरंटली. विजय सरदेसाई ऑल्सो इज 7%. सो हे दोन्ही पार्टीज म्हटल्यार खूप लहान आसा, बट लिडर्स म्हणून लोक तांकां रिकॉग्नायज करता, एप्रिशिएट करता. सो लोक जर डिफरंट थिंकिंग करता आसतले जाल्यार मागीर ती बीजेपीच्या दृश्टीन चिंतेची गोष्ट.
So I feel that 6.9% of Vijay Sardesai could rise up to about 26% the moment we become a pan Goa party. We have not gone to all the constituencies.
How these figures can come when these people have earned themselves a name, U-turns and this, and given to them and bestowed to them by RSS themselves. So they have not even left RSS in these hoodwinking tactics. I can't understand this figure.
Manohar Parrikar has been alone to the central government. That everybody knows because he has gone up. Half his term he was taken there. Bringing him back here, I don't see, because he is much wanted there, and the way things are going there in the center, Mr. Modi is not in any mood to leave him to come back to the state. So it is out of question that he will be, as far as I am concerned, and even the party has taken, and he has also made a very clear statement. So people, what Neville has shown in this picture is people would like these people to be the chief minister. He has not put party in that, correct? No, there is no party affiliation. This is an individual affiliation.
गोंयांत सगळे तरेची क्वॉलिटी आसात पूण एकूच तुमी म्हणटा त्या प्रमाणे आमी मिलीजुली सरकारान प्रत्येक खेपो आमचे 3 MLA फाटले 2 MLA आमी खंयच्या तरी सरकारान आसा त्यामुळे त्या सरकाराचे कडेन मातशें सगळें रावचेंच पडटा त्यामुळे क्वॉलिटी अशी दाखोवपाक ती संदीच मेळना न्ही तो एक मोठो प्रश्न आसा आमचे कितलेशेच आतां ते आमकां आनी एक ड्रॉबॅक आसता आमचे कितें ते ध्येय धोरणां आसा तत्वां सगळें आसा म्हणटात लोक थोडे म्हणटात तुमी ध्येय धोरणां विसरले पण जाता कशें जेन्ना तुमी मोठे पार्टीचे सकयल रावता तेन्ना जशें व्हडल्या झाडां पोंदा ल्हानशें झाड कितें वाडोवंक शकना तशी पद्दत जाल्या ती म्हणून ती क्वॉलिटी दिसना म्हणून ते 6.5 एटलीस्ट इट मस्ट गो टू 20+.
What I see from this is people want a change, and not just a change but a credible change. That is what it is.
That is what you are saying. This is a thirst for credible change, sir.
People are still going to depend on Digambar, Luisin Falero and Pratap Singh Rane. Vishwajit is far behind. So they are going to put their faith in the old guard. So maybe Luisin needs to re-look at his 50% youth kind of approach because people are still looking at the really older leaders here. The biggest surprise here is Michael Lobo. If he can get 6.9 being in that one constituency, he has never really tried to be this. He's not like Vijay Sardesai. You know, I'm more inclined to believe that 92% now after seeing this.
मांद्रे विरोधक एकठांय आयल्यार पार्सेकार पडटा नावेली एंटी बीजेपी लाटेचो लुइजिनाक फायदो नव्या लोकांक मिकी नाकाच पणजे बाबुशाक दिसता तितली सोपी ना पणजे बीजेपी घड राखता पेडणे बाबू आसगांवकाराची परत एंट्री जाता प्रियोळक गोविंद गावडेक लागून दीपक ढवळीकार डेंजर झोनात प्रुडंटाचो प्री पोल सर्वे.
Chief Ministerचे स्वतःचे अप्रुव्हल रेटिंग हॅज कम डाऊन टू 39%. Ground zero is huge anti-incumbency against the Chief Minister.
It is not really approval rating that we are talking of here. When you say 39% is actually whether the constituency wants to give their MLA another chance. Now, if you look at approval rating, actually the Chief Minister's approval rating is much higher. It's almost around 70%. Say that his performance as an MLA is good. But still only
But
39.
they don't want to give him second chance.
Exactly.
That I
strongly disagree.
strongly disagree with his approval rating.
You strongly
I strongly disagree because it is not possible.
Put our candidate, he'll directly gallop the vote share of BJP.
BJP.
उरतले आम्ही मतदारसंघ जिंकतले. With every passing day, Congress is emerging strong in Mandre.
If everybody unites over there, he's gone.
Matter for concern and more concern because MGP is going to contest independent.
He looks quite safe. He looks very, very safe. And there is again that no competition to Francis Rudin Davalikar. The approval rating is 68%. Again here the situation is there is no competition. It does not look like there is a strong competition to Rudin Davalikar.
If there is a split, there will be a candidate and it will be a surprise candidate. You will see. We have got figures and he is going to give a tough competition to.
So a surprise candidate against Rudin Davalikar.
Yes,
That's
it
what
is
you are
already-
promising today.
Yes, surprise candidate. It will be like you will see what it is.
हाका मोस्ट करप्ट पॉलिटिशियन म्हणून पळयता आनी ते लोकांचे सेंटिमेंट्स आर अगेन्स्ट हिम.
This is interesting. Approval rating of Digambar Kamath is 50%.
Margao once again up 9%, BJP 21%, Congress 21%, Goa Forward 9%. Now in terms of candidates, Bhai Naik 10%, Digambar Kamath 18%, Rupesh Mahatme 12%.
See, don't take us just granted. Don't take us for granted. If the alliance doesn't take place, you have it. You have it. We are not going to let anybody
so
go.
what you are saying,
just like
Neville,
scot-free.
is the vote share of Congress plus the personal vote share of Digambar Kamath is making him a winner right now.
No, it would still make it a very, very close because then it would mean actually it could be going anyway, BJP or Congress.
So in Margao, Congress is firm.
आत्ता सध्या म्युन्सिपाल्टी आणि मडगावचो बऱ्यापैकी शेअर गोवा फॉरवर्ड होल्ड करता आणि ती जर अलायन्स जायना जाल्यार मागीर नेरोली अहेड आसा ते चित्र
Madgaon
change
becomes
जावपाचें
completely
दिसता.
volatile.
हय,
BJP
Now out of
12
that,
for 13,000.
now out of that we are saying that 9 to 10% is commanded by Goa Forward.
Still Digambar will be safe.
Still Digambar will be safe. Okay. speaker's constituency, and the approval rating is very, very bad, 28%. Anti-incumbency for Anand Sheth. So the individual vote share of Praveen Zate is very, very strong.
very, very high.
Really.
Congress has a good base in Mahe. This base will only grow towards victory.
So the Congress, the opposition has to come together. Both 2007, 2012, it was because of splits.
BJP has got highest share there compared to anybody. Now, what you are showing is the individual rating. But ultimately, it is the party which counts there in that particular segment. And I don't see that he has a problem there.
So just one thing,
If MGP puts a candidate in Mahe,
huge problem.
there is a huge problem. Mormugao is Milind Naik, looks like he is safe. Naveli, his approval rating is 67%. But if you look at the breakup of the numbers, it looks like Luizin Falero can win this seat because there is a strong anti-BJP wave.
Yeah, in terms of personal vote share, Avertan Furtado 20%, Luizin Falero 33%, Siddharth Karabulkar 1%, AAP 1%, BJP 17%, Congress 21%, Goa Forward 2%, MGP 1%.
Naveli as well as Murmugao, both will return Congress candidates with big margin.
I feel that if Goa Forward enters in that constituency with Sifru, then the entire statistics of this constituency will change drastically.
Murmugao, as you pointed out, there is nothing there for Congress. It is BJP again is going to come the third time. But Avartan has always been with us, so I don't think there is a reason to keep Avartan away and fight elections on a symbol for this election. But we think we will go with Avartan. And
Miki Paseko practically seems like losing all ground, 29%. And ground zero is Miki totally unwanted. The strong Congress presence.
It's a strong Congress presence. If both the Congress candidates come together or there is a proper choice of Congress candidate, there it's a clear.
no-brainer.
If Alex comes into the picture, then Babashan is open. He may embrace any other party which is very close to him. So the situation can change in that constituency. But no way BJP just can't think of this constituency because they are way behind in this constituency.
Congress will give a good candidate because Congress is aware about the aspirations of the people.
I don't need
After,
to say
after
anything
announcement
more.
of your
Yeah, it
candidate,
has
you feel that it has doubled.
double.
Your prospects are very, very strong.
Very, very high.
And if Panji is very interesting. Siddharth's approval rating is 68%. Not at all easy for Babush Monserrat because we did this survey after declaration of Babush Monserrat's candidature from Panji.
In Panjim, the scene is Monserrat 11%, Raju 3%, Siddharth Kumkolekar 29%, Valmiki Naik 6%. In terms of party, AAP 12%, BJP 35%, Congress 5%. Siddharth Kumkolekar.
You see the statistics. Congress has got a base in Panjim.
गोवा सुरक्षा मंच किंवा ह्या आसा न्ही तांचोय एक प्रेझेन्स पणजेन दिसता कारण वेलिंगकर स्वता पणजे आसा पण ते रिफ्लेक्ट जायना सर्वे भितर अशें म्हाका दिसलें.
Penne is again sitting minister. It is approval is 28%. There are huge problems here. Babu Asgaonkar can win is the thing because there is no other candidate and people are looking back at Babu Asgaonkar. Good news for Congress.
No, because I'm telling you, this is one more seat in the Congress kitty. This is known to be a Congress seat. It has returned Congress candidate. It is going to return a Congress candidate.
Fonda जर पहिली जाल्यार again there is a problem with the candidate and the issue is Lau cannot win without BJP.
what is the partition you tell?
Partition in Ponda is 34%.
It is our seat, boss.
But Congress plus individual Ravi Naik is 12 plus 28, which is also.
नारायण बाब प्रश्न असा तुमचो आणि लोवूचो कंबायंड वोट शेअर जो आसा तो वोट शेअर आसा 24%, 24%. But with those that 24% you cannot win that seat.
रवी नाईक इज स्ट्रॉंग कॅन्डिडेट. लास्ट इलेक्शन तो हरला, हरतकीर नेक्स्ट इलेक्शनाक मातशी लोकांची सिंपथी मेळटा, तो एक फॅक्टर आसता.
So if you divide, it's going to be a very
So it's advantage Ravi Naik.
Yes, it is
It's advantage Ravi Naik in Ponda. Okay. Well, I don't think we need to discuss much.
it. Yes.
The approval rating is 88% for the leader of opposition and senior Rane is still unbeatable. And here Rohan's approval rating is 68%. Ground zero is Rohan's performance is a winner here.
Still he continues to be the mentor of Goa Forward. So let's see येत्या दिसा भितर किती जाता तें. But I don't expect. He has clearly mentioned that he is not
So you are
Congress and
hopeful,
BJP.
you are hopeful that he will contest on Goa Forward ticket.
Should be.
स्वागतच आसतलें अशें कोणी बरे मनीस जर काम करता ते येयले जाल्यार आमकां स्वागत करतलेच न्ही आमी.
So Goa Suraksha Manch is going to penetrate in a big way in BJP vote share over here.
BJP vote share here.
100%.
Approval rating is 45% in Prior, and ground zero is
Can't win without-
Deepak cannot
So
win
NDP has
without
to know what is the
BJP
real-
in Prior.
real
I can
faction.
already see Narayan Babu shaking his head.
No. We can stand on our own thing. It is improved.
You don't need BJP here.
No, definitely with our own we can win with thumping majority.
Thumping majority.
Yes.
Numbers
Definitely.
maybe. Thumping majority number.
Deepak Gowdekar individual vote share 29%, Govind Gowde 37%, Vishwas Satardekar 1%. In terms of party, BJP 8%, Congress 2%, MGP 12%.
So, गोविंद गावडे खंयच्या पक्षाचो उमेदवार म्हूण रावता ताजेर खुबश्यो गजाली अवलंबून आसतल्यो.
BJP does not have much to lose because MGP has won. They have much more to lose from what you have seen. I have not. हांवें सांगूना तूं पळयला तुमी.
गोवा सुरक्षा मंच goes with
MGP.
then Deepak might that can neutralize the
Yes,
BJP factor.
the BJP
That is the
factor.
only way it can
That's
be
the only way,
neutralized.
yes.
Okay.
Give a break.